Truthfulness in opposing the devil. A Muslim should actively strive to cut off the weapons of the devil, such as acting on evil thoughts. The way to achieve this is to constantly remind oneself of the negative effects of sins, such as punishment and disgrace. A Muslim should stand guard over their thoughts and actions, ensuring they only think and act for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. It is important to remember that the devil is never unmindful of people and is always striving to lead them astray. He works hard to weaken the resolve of Muslims to better themselves and encourages them to delay sincere repentance. He inspires Muslims to delay acting on their good thoughts and intentions, hoping they will eventually forget or not find the opportunity to act on them in the future. Whenever a Muslim engages in righteous deeds, the devil reminds them of the worldly things which require their attention, thereby preventing them from obtaining good. A Muslim should strive to control their anger, as the devil strikes at this time, causing one to cross the limits and commit heinous sins. It is therefore vital for a Muslim to gain knowledge on the traps of the devil, so that they can avoid them. Ignorance will only cause one to wander into his traps, which will result in the loss of good in both worlds. One should constantly seek refuge from the devil with Allah, the Exalted. This is only achieved through sincere obedience to him by fulfilling his commands, refraining from his prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. Chapter 15 Al-Hijr, verse 42.
Indeed, my servants, no authority will you have over them.
In addition, a Muslim should constantly remind themselves of the all-encompassing gaze of Allah, the Exalted. This will aid them in combating the devil, as whoever remembers this will be afraid to act on their evil desires, knowing Allah, the Exalted, is observing their inner and outer being. The one who is aware of a powerful authority, such as the police, observing them, will not misbehave. Similarly, the one who is aware of the divine gaze of Allah, the Exalted, will resist the devil and refrain from sins. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.